In this video, I'll show you how to add a collaborator on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository where you want to add a collaborator. Next, click the Settings tab at the top of the repository. In the left sidebar, click Collaborators or Collaborators in Teams, depending on your repository type. Now, click Add People, then enter the GitHub username or email address of the person you want to invite. Select the correct account from the search results and click Add or Invite to send the invitation. After that, ask your collaborator to accept the invitation. Once they accept, they'll have access to the repository based on the permissions you've granted. Finally, if you ever need to change their access level or remove them from the repository, return to the collaborators page and update their permissions or remove their access. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a collaborator on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.